How to make smooth zoom transition with blur. To begin, I added 2 videos to my timeline. Go to Effects panel and search for Transform. Drag and drop Transform effect into your both videos. With your first video selected, go to Effect Controls and make sure the playhead is at end of your clip. Under Transform Effect, set Scale to 150. Then use your left arrow 5 times to go back 5 frames. And click on this Reset Parameter button to set the scale back to 100. Now make sure the Use Composition Shutter Angle is turned off and set the angle to 360 to add a nice blur to transition. Now select the 2 keyframes and right-click on one of them and select Ease Out. Then select the second video and make sure the playhead is at the start of the video. Set the scale to 150 and click on the stopwatch next to it to create the starting keyframe. With the right arrow on your keyboard, go 5 frames forward and set scale back to 100. Again, make sure the Use Composition Shutter Angle is turned off and set the angle to 360. Select the 2 keyframes and right-click on one of them and select Ease In. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.